Look at the setup. This is the setup for one of the Christmas shoots. Look how good this looks. Oh, babe. You killed it.
Thank you.
I'm so proud. This looks amazing. Wow.
Oh, there's nothing.
Yeah. If only the dishes were actually done that easily. Shame, shame. Hi friends, editing Lex here. I'm literally just finished up lunch and finishing editing this very little Vlogmas video, but I wanted to pop my face in because first of all, I'm excited. I'm gonna be doing my take on Vlogmas. I'm gonna be doing some crafty things, some bookish things, some regular holiday-esque things. I just want to kind of challenge myself and post more consistently throughout this month. It's not going to be every day. I clearly missed day 1, which would have been yesterday, December 1st. Today is December 2nd, and this video is going to go live in a few hours. I'm just gonna schedule it once I'm done editing here. But yeah, won't be posting every day. That'd be kind of crazy for me, but I will be posting several times a week. That's the goal, that's the hope. They're gonna be shorter videos, not as long, between maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and just clips of life and crafts I'm doing and books I'm reading and things that we're getting up to. So I did write in this video, at some point I wrote text on the screen if you wanna hear about or see the Advent kind of stuff we're doing this year, specifically with my kids, but I'm also doing something by myself. I'm also doing something for my husband, which is more of a sweet, surprisey thing each day. But anyway, if you want to know more about that that kind of thing, let me know. Also, I added in those clips of the studio. My husband opened up a creative studio for photography and events and all things creative for podcasts, things like that. So it's pretty exciting. If you're local to me, definitely follow the page, CL Creative Studios. And even if you're not, follow it for inspo, honestly. Okay, editing Lex is about to go and schedule this video, but thank you for being here and for taking the time to watch week to week. It really means a lot to me, and I'm just excited for all that's to come. So I hope you're having a wonderful and very cozy day whenever you see this, and I'll talk to you soon. Also, I'm just still editing on my phone, but guys, look how good this is looking. I added in these stars just this morning, and I mean, it's busy, but it's cute. And then I ended up switching this art print. I ended up putting this art print. I don't know, you can kind of see it with the glare, but you remember making this in our last video. So I added this here because I felt like it just looked better. Opened up our record player, put that there, and then I put this here instead. And I still have the tinsel tree up. So anyway, We'll see, but I think it looks quite cute. Okay, bye.